Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner displaying the P2003 code? This code means the diesel particulate filter on bank 2 is not filtering soot particles efficiently, which can increase exhaust pollution and reduce engine performance if left unfixed. P2003 stands for diesel particulate filter efficiency below threshold, bank 2. In simple terms, the ECU has detected that the DPF on the second cylinder bank is not operating at the required efficiency level. The DPF is responsible for trapping and burning soot particles produced during diesel combustion, and when it becomes clogged or inefficient, the ECU stores this fault code. Common symptoms include check engine light on, reduced engine power, increased fuel consumption, excessive smoke from the exhaust, and possible limp mode. The vehicle may also feel restricted during acceleration due to exhaust flow blockage. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The DPF for bank 2 is located in the exhaust system underneath the vehicle along the bank to exhaust line, typically after the catalytic converter and before the muffler. The differential pressure sensor is connected to the DPF with pressure tubes that monitor internal soot accumulation. Exhaust temperature sensors are placed before and after the DPF to monitor regeneration and filter performance. All these components are mounted along the exhaust pipe and connected to the ECU via wiring harness routed under the vehicle. For quick diagnosis, start by checking live data using an OBD2 scanner and monitor DPF pressure values, soot load, and temperature sensor readings. Then inspect the pressure sensor pipes for blockage or leaks and ensure proper regeneration cycles are occurring. If the vehicle is mainly used for short drives, passive regeneration may not complete, leading to DPF clogging. In such cases, forced regeneration or professional DPF cleaning may be required. Finally, repair or replace faulty sensors, clean or replace the DPF if necessary, clear the code, and perform a road test to verify the fix. Remember, the most common causes of P2003 are a clogged DPF, faulty pressure sensor, blocked sensor pipes, or failed regeneration process. Timely repair will restore exhaust flow, engine power, and emission efficiency.